This is just a random video of solves. I keep trying to make one, but the camera keeps falling, and it will probably fall in the video, but I'm gonna try to get this made before it falls. And that's all I can say. I'm probably gonna do just one solve. I'm using cube timer, so this is what I'm using. That's okay. Now I'm just gonna start some music and.
Another lost soul, I'm about to be mine again. Leave the receiver, and it's beyond your control. You ever made again? Heaven, from I'm 11, who hasn't landed on home. As a little child, she was taken, and then forsaken. You will remember it all, and into your mind again. Heaven lies beyond this portal. Take the word of one immortal. Give your soul to me. Sorry.
That's all I'm going to do right now, because I'm trying to go for more and the camera falls, so I'm not going to ruin this video, so just